Ye county ya Kisii yekurawa no speaker Virbu Nyamira asabe musie aho barwe birengere byabo abande bamukingane iyo na abande basira ingane y'abanjoni ko cyase county ya Kisii kurendo mu MC we ward ya Masige East Michael Motume niko bono nera boriri y'abanyanyimbo busika umurayi we county ya Kisii Simbarati bayikara boriri serikali yanene korora emechandeli abakenya bagwetera baranye sugurikera bamaye gusugurikera amangana ye county ya Kisii asokonya ko musumbwa umugabana we county ya Kisii.
National government again, that as much as we have the resources in terms of personnel, security personnel, this kind of misuse of uniformed officers should not be acceptable, Mr. Speaker. We have seen Kenyans in Turkana, in Kapedo, people are struggling even to access basic needs because of insecurity, Mr. Speaker. Why bring GSU officers at a stadium where renovations are ongoing, where people are very busy, when we have issues to deal with? This national government is failing on its mandate, Mr. Speaker. The same energy they use to blackmail and intimidate politicians, they should use to lower the cost of living that's affecting the many Kenyans that we have. Mr. Speaker, sir, going forward, I appeal, Mr. Speaker, finally, I appeal also with members of the county assembly, Mr. Speaker, that an attack to the office of the governor is an attack to the people of Kisii County, because